Jody Apollonia, nigga, I don't give a fuck what no nigga talk about. Get your money up, fuck these bitches, keep doing you niggas, fuck everybody. It's like every day I'm caught up in this world, sin. It's like every day I'm caught up in this world of sin. Hit the block, trying to get some ends. All these niggas out here ain't really my friends. They hate on the nigga daily, but I don't give a fuck. Nigga, what you gon' do when time is up, nigga, when you can't collect no more money for the bills? Hit the motherfucking block and ride some shit, because we out here trying to get this life on. You know what the fuck, nigga? It's like that. Everybody hating on me, nigga, where you strapped? Niggas ain't your friends, niggas is your enemies. Behind your back, they tryna fuck your bitch, G, and they tryna take away your profit. But fuck these hoes, where the paper at though? I don't give a fuck about nothing, nigga. Got the hammer strap walking down the street, nigga. It's a great life I lead, nigga. Fuck the world, cause I'ma leave here with a smile on my face. Cause I don't give a fuck about none of y'all niggas, hey. Every day, nigga, it's like I've been the world scene. It's like I caught up in the world of so much sin. Where your money at? Heard a bitch say, where your dough at? I said, baby girl, what you talking about? She like, nigga, I need my bills paid. I said, okay, we can get that done, baby. But how the fuck you gon' play me? Knowing damn well you gon' suck that nigga's dick. Knowing damn well you ain't tryna get up off her it. And I'm just caught up in this, thinking that you love me, but you don't give a shit. Put your mama where to call ya, and wanna see ya, I'ma beat it out the frame, girl. Yes, cause I can't go gay. Fuck that, all these niggas out here on that nowadays. But real red stand firm in the dirt, still putting dick to pussy cause you know she like it. And it hurt to see my black folks struggling. I don't care, nigga, out here with the rocks juggling, trying to see what it is, cause all you niggas on some hoe ass shit. And I hate to see a nigga just standing from the motherfucking building with a motherfucking 40 ounce, talking about it's all good. No, it's not, man. You ain't doing shit, nigga, with your life, man. And the nigga real red gon' grow up in this world to be a cold-blooded killer, already a thug. I'm a grown ass nigga with some motherfucking dope, and y'all niggas hating on it though. Tell me what it is. It's like I'm caught up in the world of sin. It's like I'm caught up in the world of sin. Every day, it's like I'm caught up in the world of sin. Every day, it's like I'm caught up in the world of sin. Salute all my thug niggas, cause I don't give a fuck. We all in this motherfucker together. It's like a struggle every day, motherfucker, but we still gotta roll on. Hey, Pac said that, and you knew that. And I'm hitting the block, trying to see what I can see. But all I can see is a motherfucking life of misery. Every bitch wanna fuck everybody. Every nigga wanna get ahead, but he don't know what to do, cause he's stuck on the block trying to sell those rocks. Ooh, and everybody shooting everybody. Every motherfucker gotta die. But why you gotta take a nigga early? Hey, I'm like, damn, I'm tripping off this motherfucking bitch, and she ain't on her motherfucking P's and Q's. Niggas smoking Sherm on the block, and me, I'm tryna go past all that, cause I'm scared of drugs. To be for real with you, I'm scared of drugs, but weed is not a drug. I smoke it daily. I take a bottle of that Grey Goose down daily. Your girl is a freak, I'm fucking her. Don't be mad at me, she gave it up. Why you niggas gon' be haters? Niggas get your mind right, cause I'm tired of all my motherfucking niggas talking about they my friend, but niggas ain't really my friend. Niggas tryna kill me. Fuck y'all niggas. I'm tryna get my life in order, my nigga. So I order my niggas to hit your ass with the slugs. Who gives a fuck? Alright, it's just a freestyle, and I'm gone. But y'all niggas vote for free.